Welcome to Zenara Meditations. Tonight, you will enter a deep journey of relaxation. This is your time to let go of today. Find a comfortable position, lying down where your body can rest. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Feel the air moving through your lungs like a wave, carrying away the tension of the day. Load comment and palliers today. Now, let us begin by connecting with your breath. Inhale slowly for 4. Hold for just a moment. Exhale gently for 6. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in soft moonlight. And with each exhale, you are releasing heaviness and worry. Comment and belly. Bring your attention to your forehead. Let it soften. Relax your eyes, heavy and calm. Feel your jaw unclench, leaving only ease. Your shoulders melt down into the surface beneath you. Your chest rises and falls with peace. Your arms heavy, your hands still. Your stomach is soft, your hips sinking deeper into comfort. Your legs grow heavy, warm, safe. Your feet are completely relaxed. Now, with your body resting, let us travel with the mind. Imagine you are lying beneath a vast night sky. Above you, millions of stars shimmer softly. A gentle breeze brushes your skin, carrying peace with every touch. With every breath, the stars above you shine a little brighter. With every exhale, your mind grows quieter. Picture a soft, golden light descending from the sky. It touches the crown of your head and flows gently through your body. This light fills your mind, clearing away every thought. It flows into your heart, warming you with safety and love. It moves through your arms, your chest, your legs, until your whole being is glowing. You are not just resting, you are being healed. You are not just breathing, you are becoming light itself. With every heartbeat, you drift deeper into peace. With every heartbeat, you drift deeper into peace. Repeat silently with me, or simply let the words flow into your heart. I am calm. I am calm. I am safe. I am safe. I am free from worry. I am free from worry. Sleep comes to me easily. Sleep comes to me easily. My body is heavy and relaxed. My body is heavy and relaxed. My mind is clear and quiet. My mind is clear and quiet. I allow myself to rest. I allow myself to rest. As you continue to drift, know that you are safe. Your mind is calm. Your body is healing. You deserve this rest. You deserve this peace. There is nothing you need to do now except surrender to sleep. Sleep deeply. Sleep peacefully. Sleep well.